What's up, guys? Welcome back to my official YouTube channel. So this is Okadi Graphics. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to design this party flyer showing on your screen right now using your pixellab. So guys, without wasting much time, I want to explain how I did this background, like how I get this background. For those of you that always chat me on WhatsApp, anytime they have a design to design for a client, they will say, boss, I want to design a birthday flyer, but I don't know how to start with the background. So you don't actually have to wait for somebody to come and teach you how to make up your own background. Understand? Like background, like design in graphics now is all about brain work. If you can't think, you cannot design anything. You understand? So like me now, before I start designing anything, I have to picture it on my head. Understand? Before, although it will be a little bit different because of some resources. That's where I always have issue on. Understand? But it will be that thing I want to understand. Like I would like it will be similar to what I wanted. Understand? So this is how I did this background now. Although you will not continue using this background on anything. That's why I told you that you don't have to wait for somebody to tell you how to do a background, like how to design the background. So like this background, I don't know, like I don't have anything in mind like this now, but I keep playing with my pixellab until I get this particular thing now. So but I'm going to explain how I did it. So this, if you see here now, this all these things now are resources that I used on this background now. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this particular thing here now. So this is it now. I don't know when I downloaded this thing, but I just saw it on my gallery. Then I decided to use it for this design now. I just saw the thing on my gallery. Then I add it on the background. So I like the thing. Then I decided to use it. So let me locate it. So this is how the thing is now. This is how the thing is, as you can see it now. Then I use eraser. Then I erase it. I erase some parts so that they will not notice. So this is how the thing is. This is what I did. Hope you understand. This is what I did, so that you will not see all those things that that will be like maybe they cut it or so. That is not all. Then I go to my gallery. Then I import this shadow. This particular shadow now, I did it using this allowed. Then I save it so that anytime I want to design anything, I will also use it. Then I use it to cover some parts so that they will not notice. Then copy it again. I also turn it. Understand? I also turn it like this. Use it and cover this part. They will not, so that they will not notice. So the main background is blue background. Is blue before I import all these things that you are seeing now. So let's get started. Please, if today is your first time visiting this my YouTube channel, please don't watch this video and skip. Please subscribe. I'm just begging you. I'm just begging you. Please, guys, if you watch, don't forget to subscribe. So this particular picture now, like although this picture now I don't like it. Understand? I don't like it. This is not how I wanted to do it, but I have to because I don't have the time to come and be looking for picture. Although it's not for somebody, it's just for tutorial. Then that's why I decided to use it. So let me go and import. Sorry, let me copy it from here and to import it. So this is it now. Then I copy it. I did it using my pixellab, but then I save it so that I will not be repeating it every time I want to design. So you can actually do that on your phone too. You can do it. So you copy it again just to make sure you cover it all. So as you can see it now, the thing is okay. Nobody is seeing it again. This is okay for me. Place it on the center. Then this one now I've done this one already. You can be able to do that one by yourself now without explanation again. So this is it now. Then this one now. Sorry guys, I want to do something now. So I just have to import this one so that I will not miss any single thing there. So this is it now. Move it to up. You can also make use of this so that it will be at the same line. Hope you understand. Because this needs to be at the same line. So I think this is okay for me. Then I go and change the color. First of all, let me position the 20 something well. Like that thing is not okay like that. So 24th, this is it. Then I shift it so that it will be at the end. So I think this is okay. Or let me leave it there. This is okay for me. So another thing here is this hang over. So let's go to your distance. This is it. So the font I used is on this pizza lab. It's not I did not download the font. It's on this pizza. It's on your own too. So you can actually go and locate the font if you want to try. Like I would like you to give this design a try. Just try it. So this is the font I used. It's on your pizza lab already. So this is it. Then I now make it bold. No, remove it. Remove it. Make sure you follow all my steps so that you can be able to get the same thing I did. So I think this is okay for like. Then you go to stroke. This is it. I think the stroke should be 3. So reduce it to 3. Then you change the stroke to red color, not this type of red color. This one now. This is the type that I used. Then the color, you change the color to yellow. So this is it now. After that, then you write the Saturday. Increase it. Then change the font. So I don't have much font on my phone. Like I have over 50 font or more than 50, but I don't have much. That's why I always use this font and it's okay for me. So to have too much font on your pizza lab is no, it's not that, like, it will not make you a professional graphic designer. So that kind of thing. So I'm not a professional at all, but I'm just trying my best. By God's grace, I will be a professional soon. So this is it now. You have to make this one be on top. So I think this is okay. Then you have to increase this Saturday a little bit. So 90 is okay for me. Position it at the center. Then this hangout, let me lock it first. This hangout, I think you should, okay. This side is okay too. Or increase it small. Then position it well. Then all you have to do now is to go to your shadow. Then opacity should be 100, blur should be 3. 3. Then offset S should be 2. Just follow all these steps so that you can be able to achieve this. Offset Y should be 5. So I think this is it now. Then you go to your 3D rotate. Then on that 3D rotate, the one you are going to rotate is this S. This S should be, let's say 10 will be okay. So let's check. I don't actually know the main size I used on my recent design, but I think this 10 is okay. So as you can see it now. I think to move this thing small is okay. So this is it. On this Saturday, and then I copy it again. to achieve the second one. So this is it now. Then I go to color. After that, I click on this plus icon. Then see this one now. You have to reduce it to 0. This is it now. At least you are not seeing it. Then you go to your stroke. I know you will know how to do this already, but if you don't know, at least you can pick up from here. Then you change the color to white. Reduce it. I think this too is okay. So this is it. This is how I did that second test that is transparent. So this is it now. Then you have to lock all of them. So this one is okay now. As you can see now, we are moving small. Then wait, this one should be on top of it. So this is it now. So another thing is the second test. So all we have to do now is to go to your test again. Then I copied it on my keyboard so that it will be easy for me. So this is it. So this particular one I did not change any let's say any font. I just use this main font now to do it. So this is what I did. Then I use this spacing. So after that, I go and decrease it. So I think this is okay for me now. Then I go back to that line spacing just to make sure that the thing is okay. So this is it now. After that, position it well. Make sure the thing is at the center. Then go to your shape. Sorry. So this is it now. I know this one you will know how to do this already. So I want to position this one well before I start doing any other thing. So there is okay. Then you have to position this one at the center too. So this is okay. Then move it forward and move it up. Then this is okay for me. Then I go to color and change it to yellow. So this is okay now. Then let's go to that Yamaha Club Night. So I also copied it. This is it now. So we are going to reduce it. The size is much. So you go to your bold, like make it bold. If you also want to change the font, there is no problem. You can change it. But I don't like changing fonts or using anyhow font. So I know the type of font I used. I like using on my design. So this is it now. Position it well. Then go to your color. This best part. Then we are going to change the color. Okay, night. From that night. So we are changing it to yellow. So this is it. So this is how I did this part now. So I would also like you to give this design a try. Understand? Don't just watch this video and just say maybe it's nothing to you or something like that. So this particular one now, I will show you guys this particular one. I will show you guys how I did it. It's also on this Pizza Lab. Then I go to my this thing. Then I type one letter. Let me say Emo. Then go to your font. This is font now. So this is it. I have to locate it. So this is it now. As you can see now, this is it. This is how I got my own. I did not download this. So it's on your Pizza Lab. You can also make use of it at any time. So all you have to do now is position it well. Then lock it. Write the name of your DJ. So this is cool. Let's change the font now. So I'll be using this same font. Then line spacing. So I think this is okay. So guys, this is how I achieved this font. So the only thing here is now to write this now, which I don't have time now. I need to go home now. Understand? I need to go home. This is after 12, after mine. So I need to go home now. So the only thing now is here now is to just to write